The rising water. Ali lived in a small coastal village. His home was close to the sea, and every morning he could hear the waves. He loved the sea, but recently things had changed. The water was coming closer to the village. Every year, more of the beach disappeared. Some homes were already destroyed by the rising water. One day, Ali's father said, "The sea is rising because the earth is getting warmer. It's called climate change." Ali didn't understand. "But why is this happening?" he asked. His father explained that many people in the world were using things that hurt the earth, like burning coal and oil. These actions were making the planet warmer, and the ice in far-away places like Antarctica was melting. This made the sea rise. Ali's village was in danger. The people started to build walls to protect their homes, but they knew the water might still come. "What can we do?" Ali asked his teacher at school. She said, "We must learn to protect our environment. We can plant more trees, use less energy, and tell others about climate change." Ali and his friends decided to help. They planted trees around the village and started using less plastic. Ali also learned that people all over the world were fighting to stop climate change. "We are small, but together we can make a big difference," his teacher said. Ali felt proud. He knew the sea might continue to rise, but now he understood that everyone had a part to play in saving the planet. The story of his village became an example to many, showing that even small actions can help protect the earth.